All right, welcome back. Today we are talking about coffee thermos.
No. We're talking about the jobber.
What?
The Norseman drill bits 29-piece jobber set.
Looks like it's 28-piece, Josh.
28. Okay, so I forgot one. This is by far. Oh, my heart and soul goes into these drill bits.
Really?
Everybody knows how much I love my drill bits. Mm-hmm. So this is the best way to keep them organized.
It's sad but true.
It is very true. To keep them organized. What I love, number one, made in the USA, right here in St. Paul, Minnesota.
I like that.
Yes. You can do steel, stainless steel, plastic, woods, pretty much everything these things will do. They're made from high moly tungsten steel.
Sure.
Yes.
What you said.
And they're heat treated.
Yeah. So in
These
other words,
things are unbelievably sharp. They work awesome.
have you tried them on
I've
steel?
been using them since 2005.
This same set?
Yes. No,
Really?
not that one.
No?
I got this one for the studio.
Gotcha.
The shop. So, so there's, I don't know. They start in here at a core. Oh, geez, what is the smallest one? 1/16. They go in 64 increments, all the way up to a ½ inch. There's 29 pieces in here.
The case is
28
nice.
in that one.
I do like the case.
Been in business for 52 years. Indestructible case. Now they make a drill bit, Mark, that goes to 0.0059.
So that's really small?
59 thousandths.
That's small.
Yeah.
I would bust that in a heartbeat.
I will.
I can't even, with my shaking,
I've seen you with a ½ inch bit.
Yeah.
You're just like, you could drive to work with that thing.
So do you are these pilot tips or whatever they're called, so they're sharp on the end so you don't need a pilot hole?
No, I mean, you should always, if you're doing metal, you should always punch in a pilot hole, but punch one in. You don't have to drill one in.
Right.
And they make this bit in this style from that 59 thousandths up to 1.5 inches.
Inch and a half?
In one of these.
Wow.
I know. So
That's crazy.
I know. Well, you can't take 1.5 inches and drill a hole. You'd have to do
like a $120 bid, isn't it?
five or six steps. You would have to do stepping up.
Speaking of price, how much?
So this whole kit right here, it's around $79, $80.
Okay, and it's a how many piece again?
29 piece. 28 today, usually 29.
Yeah.
But this is my favorite thing. I hate if you go out and get a bit set, drill bit set, and they're different colors, and you're like buying this brand, this, and trying to put them in, and they're not the same sharpness. This brand, you break your 7/30 seconds bit, you just go buy a new 7/30 seconds bit.
Online, I assume?
Yeah.
Where
they're in a lot of stores like Fastenal.
Okay.
Yeah, they're
so
locally.
This is pro grade.
They're on Amazon. They're everywhere.
Bits.
Yeah. Norsemandrill.com. Norseman drill.com is the website. They have so many bits on there, but I've never found a bit set that I love telling. And then it's awesome because you carry this in your pouch. You know your bits, they're steel. They rust. You carry them in your pouch.
That's waterproof.
You have them outside. You throw them in your thing. Yeah. It's rain out. You don't care. You just take them. You just dump them in the water. Yeah, that's all you got to do.
Right.
And then you just take them and open them up.
Or you don't
and
have to
stay
do
in the
that,
rain.
actually.
You don't have to open them up, but look at no water.
Yeah, that's
Because that nice rubber gasket and seal. So
I do have to admit, I probably have 4 bit cases, and they're all pretty much junk.
yeah,
They have the little thing that flip up, and it doesn't fit down in there, and they're hard to get in. They're hard
they
to
don't
get out.
match. And when they don't match, I start losing respect for my drill bits.
Right. And
Because
we
I
don't
just
want
don't. I
that.
don't like that.
We don't want that. All right. What's again the name?
Norseman drill bits.
Norseman drill bits.
Norseman drill bit. Norseman drill bits.
And what's your website?
That's it. Norsemandrill.com.
Okay. All right.
$80. Best $80 you will spend. Otherwise, you can call me. My number is 952.
We'll see you next time.